Welcome to our comprehensive guide on hair growth. In this video, we will delve into the essential aspects of achieving luscious, healthy hair. Whether you're struggling with thinning strands, looking to boost your hair's vitality, or simply want to enhance your overall hair health, this guide is tailored just for you. We'll explore effective techniques, natural remedies, and lifestyle changes that can significantly impact your hair growth journey. Healthy hair is not just about aesthetics, it reflects your overall well-being. Strong, vibrant hair can boost your confidence and enhance your appearance, making you feel more empowered in your daily life. Throughout this video, we will discuss the importance of proper nutrition, the role of vitamins and minerals, and how to create a hair care routine that works for you. Additionally, we will share tips on avoiding common hair care mistakes that can hinder growth and damage your locks. By following our guide, you'll not only learn how to promote hair growth, but also how to maintain the health of your existing hair. So, whether you're looking to grow your hair out for a special occasion or simply want to embrace your natural beauty, stay tuned as we unlock the secrets to achieving the hair of your dreams. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Step 1. The importance of a healthy diet for hair growth. A healthy diet plays a crucial role in promoting hair growth and maintaining the overall health of your locks. The foundation of vibrant hair lies in the nutrients you consume. Key nutrients such as proteins, vitamins, and minerals are essential for hair strength and growth. Proteins in particular are the building blocks of hair, so incorporating high-quality sources like salmon, chicken, and legumes into your meals is vital. Vitamins such as A, C, D, and E, along with B vitamins like biotin, are also critical for hair health. Foods rich in these vitamins include leafy greens like spinach, citrus fruits, and avocados. These nutrients help nourish the hair follicles and promote a healthy scalp, which is essential for optimal hair growth. Minerals like zinc and iron are equally important. You can find these in foods such as nuts, seeds, and whole grains. These minerals help improve blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring that hair follicles receive the necessary nutrients for growth. Additionally, hydration cannot be overlooked. Drinking plenty of water is essential for maintaining moisture in your hair and preventing dryness and brittleness. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your hair hydrated from the inside out. By focusing on a balanced diet rich in these key nutrients and staying hydrated, you'll set the stage for healthier, more vibrant hair. Step 2. The significance of proper hair care routines. Establishing a proper hair care routine is essential for promoting healthy hair growth and maintaining its overall condition. Regular washing and conditioning are fundamental practices that help remove dirt, oil, and product buildup from your scalp and hair. This not only keeps your hair looking fresh, but also creates an optimal environment for hair growth. Aim to wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week, depending on your hair type and lifestyle. When selecting hair care products, opt for sulfate-free shampoos that are gentle on your hair and scalp. Sulfates can strip natural oils, leading to dryness and damage. Pair your shampoo with a nourishing, deep conditioner to replenish moisture and strengthen your hair. Look for products containing natural ingredients like argan oil, shea butter, or aloe vera, which can provide essential hydration and nutrients. In addition to using the right products, it's crucial to avoid excessive heat styling and harsh chemical treatments. Heat tools like blow dryers, straighteners, and curling irons can weaken hair strands and lead to breakage. If you must use heat, always apply a heat protectant spray to minimize damage. Similarly, chemical treatments such as coloring or perming can compromise hair integrity. By limiting these practices and focusing on a consistent hair care routine, you can significantly enhance your hair's health and promote optimal growth. Remember, healthy hair starts with the right care. Step 3. Scalp health and its impact on hair growth. Scalp health is a vital component of hair growth that is often overlooked. A clean and healthy scalp creates the ideal environment for hair follicles to thrive. When the scalp is clogged with excess oil, dirt, or product buildup, it can hinder hair growth and lead to issues like dandruff or inflammation. Regular cleansing is essential to maintain scalp health, allowing hair to grow freely and robustly. Incorporating scalp treatments can further enhance your hair growth journey. Natural oils like tea tree oil and peppermint oil are excellent choices for stimulating the scalp. Tea tree oil has antimicrobial properties that can help reduce dandruff and soothe irritation, while peppermint oil promotes blood circulation, invigorating hair follicles and encouraging growth. Dilute these oils with a carrier oil such as coconut or jojoba oil before applying them to your scalp for the best results. Another effective way to boost scalp health is through regular scalp massages. Massaging your scalp not only feels great, but also improves blood circulation, delivering essential nutrients to hair follicles. Aim to incorporate a few minutes of scalp massage into your routine a few times a week. You can do this while applying your conditioner or during your hair care regimen. By prioritizing scalp health through cleanliness, targeted treatments and massages, you'll create a strong foundation for vibrant, healthy hair growth. Step 4. The role of supplements in promoting hair growth. Supplements can play a significant role in supporting hair growth and overall hair health. Among the most popular options are biotin, collagen, and omega-3 fatty acids. Biotin, a B vitamin, is known for its ability to strengthen hair and promote growth. It helps improve the keratin infrastructure, which is essential for maintaining healthy hair strands. Many people find that incorporating biotin into their daily routine leads to noticeable improvements in hair thickness and strength. Collagen is another powerful supplement that can benefit hair health. As a protein that makes up a significant portion of our hair, collagen helps to maintain its structure and elasticity. By supplementing with collagen, you can support your hair's resilience and combat the effects of aging, which often lead to hair thinning. Omega-3 fatty acids are also crucial for promoting healthy hair. These essential fats nourish hair follicles, reduce inflammation, and improve scalp health, creating an optimal environment for hair growth. Foods rich in omega-3s, such as fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, can also be taken in supplement form for added benefits. However, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. They can help determine the right dosage and ensure that the supplements align with your individual health needs. By incorporating the right supplements into your routine, you can enhance your hair growth journey and achieve the vibrant locks you desire. Step 5. The importance of stress management for hair growth. Stress can have a profound impact on hair health, often leading to issues such as hair thinning or even hair loss. When the body experiences stress, it can trigger a condition known as telogen effluvium, where hair follicles enter a resting phase and subsequently shed more than usual. This makes managing stress a crucial aspect of maintaining healthy hair and promoting growth. To combat stress effectively, consider incorporating stress relief techniques into your daily routine. Practices such as yoga and meditation can help calm the mind and reduce anxiety levels. Yoga not only promotes relaxation, but also improves blood circulation, which can benefit your scalp and hair follicles. Meditation, on the other hand, encourages mindfulness and can help you develop a more positive outlook, further alleviating stress. Regular exercise is another excellent way to manage stress. Physical activity releases endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters, which can help you feel more relaxed and energized. Whether it's a brisk walk, a dance class, or a workout at the gym, find an activity that you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Encourage yourself to explore various activities that help you unwind, whether it's reading, gardening, or spending time with loved ones. By prioritizing stress management, you not only enhance your overall well-being, but also create a healthier environment for your hair to thrive. Remember, a calm mind contributes to beautiful, vibrant hair. Step 6. Tips for protecting hair from damage. Protecting your hair from damage is essential for promoting healthy growth and maintaining its overall appearance. One effective way to minimize breakage is by opting for protective hairstyles. Styles like braids, buns, or twists can help shield your hair from environmental stresses and reduce the risk of tangling. These styles not only keep your hair secure, but also allow it to rest, promoting healthier growth over time. Another simple yet effective tip is to use silk pillowcases and hair wraps. Unlike cotton, which can create friction and lead to breakage, silk provides a smooth surface that helps reduce friction while you sleep. This can prevent tangles and minimize damage to your hair, allowing it to retain moisture and shine. Consider investing in a silk scarf or wrap to protect your hair overnight, especially if you have curly or textured hair. Regular trims are also crucial for maintaining healthy hair. By scheduling trims every 6 to 8 weeks, you can remove split ends and prevent them from traveling up the hair shaft, which can lead to further damage. Keeping your ends healthy not only improves the overall look of your hair, but also encourages growth by reducing the likelihood of breakage. By incorporating these protective measures into your hair care routine, you can significantly reduce damage and promote stronger, healthier hair. Remember, a little extra care goes a long way in achieving the beautiful locks you desire. Conclusion: key takeaways for hair growth. In this video, we've explored essential strategies for promoting healthy hair growth. We began by highlighting the importance of a balanced diet, rich in key nutrients like proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Foods such as salmon, spinach, and nuts can significantly enhance your hair's vitality. Next, we discussed the significance of a proper hair care routine, emphasizing regular washing, conditioning, and the use of sulfate-free products to maintain hair health. We also delved into the critical role of scalp health, recommending treatments like tea tree oil and peppermint oil, along with regular scalp massages to boost circulation. Additionally, we covered the benefits of supplements such as biotin, collagen, and omega-3 fatty acids, which can further support hair growth when used appropriately. Managing stress emerged as another vital factor, with techniques like yoga, meditation, and exercise helping to create a healthier environment for hair growth. We provided practical tips for protecting your hair from damage, including protective hairstyles, silk pillowcases, and regular trims to maintain healthy ends. As you embark on your hair growth journey, remember these key takeaways and take action by implementing the tips shared in this video. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and explore our related content for more insights on achieving beautiful, healthy hair. Thank you for watching, and here's to your hair growth success.